Hi guys, how are you? It's Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about it. So today we are going to be looking at a product that's being launched tomorrow, actually, the 18th of December. It's called the Raw Food Formula. What it is, it's a PLR package which you can rebrand and sell as your own. Now we're on the sales page. We're going to just take a quick look through it, and I'm going to highlight a few things. So here we have the product. It will help you to learn tips and give advice on the raw food formula. It's a complete up-to-date guide about mastering a healthy lifestyle via raw food. Something unique, and you'll be proud to sell it as your own. And it's 100% high quality and brand new. Now, I think the creator is Daniel Taylor. Now, I just think it's fabulous. It's a very concise course, and with people becoming more health conscious these days, I think it's an ideal product to purchase. And raw food is taking its hold in the market. People are becoming more conscious of organic food, chemical-free, not too many processing, and this is ideal. What the course covers is the raw food diet, the commonly asked questions, the rules, cooked food undergoing chemical changes. I mean, it's a very thorough package that Daniel has put through. Let me just go and show you what is in the package here. Here we go. Now, he's broken it down into modules that you can go step by step. You have the ebook, which is written in English by professionals. You know how important that is. And I have the review copy of the book, and yes, it is very organized and very easy to read. No problem there. There's a checklist, there's a resource cheat sheet, ready to go sales letter, advertising banners, folks, just about everything you need to make it a digital product. And I'm going to leave the link below so you can look at the sales page yourself. You're not going to go through all of that. It's going to be a very short review. Let me just hop over to the bonuses. He's offering the checklist. It's a handy tool where you can make it easier for yourself to get started and just help you as you go along. It breaks up the guide into easy to follow steps, so you make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered. The next bonus is the resource guide. It gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources online that will help you faster. It makes it easy to plug in and stick with managing and improving your goals every day. Excuse me. And after, his bonuses, I also have a few bonuses that I would like to give to you. Now, I would like to offer you the email A to Z marketing. This is a good way for you to get your product there and also use email marketing as another source to get the word out once you've created your digital product. And of course, Black Hat SEO for beginners. Even if you know nothing about how to market online, using this book, this resource, you should be able to get yourself in position to make waves. Then, of course, we have the Internet Marketing Funnel. I do not know why my computer is doing this, but you can read it. There we go. This is just another way to help you. You hear people talk about funnels all the time. Well, this is a 5-day crash course to get your feet wet, get you grounded, give you a way, a direction in how to take things to the next level. I think these 3 bonuses should help you with your PLR mega package and your digital product that you will be more than excited to get started. So let's take a look at the PDF, the concise course. Of course, the table of contents. Guys, everything I could have thought of, it's already there, because I don't know very much about the raw food diet, but I was very intrigued. So the first chapter, it's raw food diet, what is it, and should you consider it for your health? You know, commonly asked questions, all about food, you know, children, and even animals. It talks about the rules of the raw food diet and the lifestyle. You know, what is it going to do for you? You know, which foods can you use, the weight loss, the maintenance, the energy levels, and of course the cognitive functions. Does eating raw food affect your brain? Ways to save on time and money. I'm sure that's going to deal with the preparation. It's just fabulous. Like, this chapter is dedicated to a broad look at the raw food diet, if that's just for humans and canines. You know, I never thought about giving animals a totally raw food diet, but this, you know, this book goes into everything, how it will help your pets and what it does for them, because I know a lot of us are pet lovers and we are really concerned about our pets' health as well as our own. So basically, you know, that's it. It's just it's 50 pages long, and it is full of information that you will find value in. I know I did. So I won't waste any more time. I will allow you to go check out the sales page, go through it, and see if it's something for you. Another thing is this package, there is no refund, so therefore you have to have the interest and the yen to follow the system, the diet, and if you so choose to produce your own digital product, which I think you should, because a lot of people are getting into healthy eating and healthy habits. Excuse me. So, you know, be sure that when you purchase it, you know, this is something you really want to do. So guys, that's it. Short, sweet, and I hope I delivered value to you. All the information will be in the box below, and go get it, guys. It's coming up tomorrow, and it's such a valuable course. You will love it, and it's very affordable. Speaking of which, did I say how much it was? I don't think I did. I think it is $7. It's going to be $7, and then it increases. Correct me, I'm so sorry. It is $7, and I think it's $7 for the first day of the launch, which is tomorrow, and then it increases to the normal selling price. But I will do my research, and I'll put all the information down in the box for you. Have a wonderful day, guys, and live healthy. Bye.